In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option responsible for joining terga, stemma and flora of the cockroach body. For this, let me understand the cockroach structure in detail. In this structure, we are observing the dorsal tergum, ventral sternum and lateral flora are joined by the arthroidal membrane in the cockroach. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D. Why? Because these structure, that means the muscular tissue, cartilage and cementing glue are not responsible for attaching terga, stemma and flora. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this picture and option that we are giving as a point-wise narration to take the NEET notes for future reference? This terga, sterna and flora of the cockroach body are joined by arthroidal membrane. Arthroidal membrane is a tough flexible cuticle. The arthroid membrane is elastic in nature. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 marks.